Guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some amazing baked bassa together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your family members, tell your friends about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my bassa. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry. Now, this bassa was bought at Rainforest, so you can always go ahead and check your local grocery shop or your local fish market, and yes, you will get bassa. However, if you can't get bassa, you can always go ahead and use snapper fish fillet. So you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you have ever had bassa before. Let me know the taste. For me, I love it. I love that it just melts in your mouth, and I love it like this. I love it baked. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and season our bassa. So I'm gonna add some paprika, and please note guys, all of these seasons that I'm using, if you have others, you can always go ahead and use them. I'm just using the ones that I love. I will also add some seasoned salt, and guys, you can always go ahead and look at the brand seasoned salt that I'm using, because most of you always ask me about the seasoned salt. You can always go ahead and look, and you can get this on Amazon also. I will also add some all-purpose seasoning, and once I season my fish fillet, I love to go ahead and just leave it aside for roughly about 15 minutes or so before I put it in the oven. You can always go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you'd have this amazing baked bassa with. Let me know if you'd have it with some vegetables, rice, whatever you have. Let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. All right? The black pepper is optional. If you don't want to add any black pepper, you can always go ahead and leave that one out. But I love to add it. So I add the bassa to some flour. I also add it to some water. If you don't want to use water, you can always go ahead and use milk. However, I prefer to use the water. And then I'm going to dip it in the breadcrumbs. And this is what it looks like. I preheat my oven at 250 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and add the bassa to the baking tray. Pop it in the oven. You don't need to do anything to it. Just leave it in the oven and allow it to do its thing for roughly about 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, you should have the perfect baked bassa. So we're going to go ahead and make up the sauce. So I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. I will also add some ketchup as well. I will also add some hot and spicy sauce. And I bought this hot and spicy sauce in Kingston at a local grocery shop. And I will also add a little bit of my guava pineapple juice. So I'm going to combine that together well. And remember guys, to always taste. You can always opt to boil this sauce if you want. If you don't want to boil it, you just go ahead and serve it up as it is. For me, I like to eat it up a bit. That works perfectly fine for me and my family. However, it's up to you, and you know what your family love. Remember to always taste, just in case you need to add a little bit more sweetness or a little bit more spiciness to your sauce, and just enjoy. And guys, this is it. I served mine up with some veggies and of course the sauce on the side, and it was just amazing. So I want you guys to go ahead and give this one a try and let me know what you think. And remember to share with your families and your friends and have them subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen. And you can check out other recipes on my YouTube channel as well that you can pair your baked bassa with, and let me know what you think. This was just flavorful and it tastes so good. I would cook it again tomorrow for my family. All right guys, see you tomorrow for another amazing recipe. Bye guys.